उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ। खुली है जो पर कहे ये नजर, लगता है अब है जाके हम। फिक्रें जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो। खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ। किसी ने छुआ तो ये हुआ, फिरते हैं महके महके हम। हुई है कई बातें नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम। हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए, बस एक पल में हम बदल गए। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो।
रोशनी मिली अब राह में है दिलकशी सी बरसी। हर खुशी मिली अब जिंदगी पे है जिंदगी सी बरसी। अब जीना हमने सीखा है।
याद है कल आया था वो पल जिसमें जादू ऐसा था। हम हो गए जैसे नहीं, वो पल जाने कैसा था। कहीं दिल के जाओ उधर ही तो, जहाँ भी लेके जाए आरज़ू। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो, जो भी हो सो उड़े। जो भी हो सो उड़े। जो भी हो सो हो।
Morning on the runway, silver birds in perfect lines. Every window holds a story, every heart a different sky. Little hands on the glass now, tracing clouds as we rise, leaving footprints in the sunrise, on the edge of new life. We rise as memories, higher than we've ever known. Across the oceans, every journey feels like home. From desert gold to distant shining shores, every smile opens up the world Laughter in a dozen languages. Soft hello, a gentle smile. Strangers turning into neighbors, sharing daylight for a while. Maps become a painted canvas, lines of light from coast to coast. Every seed a small adventure, every take off hope. We rise with memories higher than we've ever known. Across the oceans, every journey feels like home. From desert gold to distant shining shores, every mile, every smile opens up the world once more. We rise with Emirates, together we From the dunes to the snow, from the cities to the quiet roads, we are carried by a promise. Every flight a golden door. Hand in hand, heart to heart, under one white sky of stars. All our dreams are getting closer. We are already halfway there. We rise with Emirates, higher than we've ever known. Across the oceans, every journey feels like home. From desert gold to distant shining shores, every mile, every smile opens up the world once more. We rise with Emirates, together we explore. Tiny lights across the land, new horizons in my hands. Every color, every face, all our stories share this space. I close my eyes, I feel it start, a gentle rising in my heart. Take me higher, Singapore, where the sky feels like the shore, where the world comes into view, and the journey finds me new. Every mile, touch of grace, every smile, a softer place. In the clouds, I understand I belong here, skyline in my hands. Softly spoken, kind eyes meet, call my name and save my seat. Warmth that finds me where I am, like I'm part of somewhere grand. Every moment, every care, folded into lighter air. I breathe it in, my worries fall. I feel held above it all. Take me higher, Singapore, where the sky feels like the shore, where the world comes into view, and the journey finds me new. Every mile, touch of grace, every smile, a softer
NAUS.
place. In the clouds, I understand I belong here, skyline in my hands. come and grow.